My daughter had a flat tire, so I got these 16-inch bike tubes as they come really well reviewed. You get the caps, you get two really solid tubes, and when you open them up, you can confirm the number on them that matches what the number on your prior tube should have said. These are the 16-inch by 1.75 or 2.125-inch tube. And I really appreciate that they come with these installation accessories as they came in handy. The first thing you need to do is get to the flat tube, and that means using those little accessories to pop the tire off of the rim, and you basically just wiggle it in and then slide it out. You can see we've already pulled the old tube out here. Now we're popping the new tube in. First thing is to hook in the metal grommet, and once you do that, you basically just kind of shove it all in, and then you can use that accessory again to make sure it pops into place all the way along that edge, and so your tire is exactly where it should be before you pump it up. Once in, just pump it up, put the tire back on the bike, and you're good to go. Great tubes.